Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Go Native Farms. And today I'm going to do a little unboxing and review of the Tough Corn Sheller. That's Tough. Got it online at the wall, and I'll put a link, and you can see it's unboxed. Apparently, people really enjoy these unboxing videos. Not sure why, but we'll go ahead and do one, and I'll assemble it, and I'll give you a review on how it works. That seems to be the most important thing, is if it works well. And it does seem to have a lot of the parts there. The only thing that concerns me, it doesn't have much on directions. I think I can figure this out, but by looking at the pictures, but we'll see. And it was about $253. It's a pretty good price for these, and if it works, and we will find out if it works in a little bit. Well, thank you guys very much for tuning in, and I'll be back with you guys in a little bit, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's assembled. And hopefully it has all the parts, because I'm not seeing the belt that goes right here. There's a belt. Hopefully that's in there somewhere. All right. So the Tough Corn Sheller I was able to assemble it pretty easily. If you can rotate your tires or change your spark plugs and give your car a tune-up, you can probably get this done. You do want to mount that motor first, and then you want to line up the belt so you can see that everything is aligned. And before you put your bolts in over here, you're going to want to bend this down so you can catch that belt and put them on those spindles, and then it won't give you any problems whatsoever. So overall, it went together pretty well. The machine seems to work when I plugged it in, but I don't have it fully assembled. I'll assemble it shortly, and then we're going to go ahead and give a test run, and I'll let you know if it works or not. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in a little bit for the final episode and the test run. All right, everyone, this is part 3, where we have the corn sheller made by Tough, Tough. You can maybe see that with the light, and it's all hooked up and ready to go. And I have a lot of beautiful Hamus blue corn in there. One of those are red, and we're going to keep that red one and put it to the side. But this is the machine, and we're going to go ahead and give it a try. You want to put it in a big Tupperware. At least I'm going to try it that way. And we're going to see if it goes in there and the corn gets shelled like it's supposed to. And hopefully everything works. I'm really hoping it works, because I need a corn sheller bad, because I have a ton of corn. This is just a little bit, but we grow a good amount of corn here, and it takes a lot of effort by hand. So we're going to go ahead and start this up with no further ado, and we're going to throw those in, and we're going to see how it works. Hopefully it works. If it does, you might want to go get yourself one at the wall. All right, take care. Or hold on, let me flip the switch. It's not exceptionally loud, but it is a little bit loud. So let's give it a try. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so it does take the corn off really well, but it is damaging a lot of these seeds in here. Not sure what percentage, about 10%, 20% of those seeds are damaged. You can see that they're broken, and you can see the white. It works exceptionally well for removing it off of the cob, but it's also damaging the corn. And I shut it off for another reason, because it was spewing corn all over the place. So you're going to have to put down a tarp if you're using one of these, because I've got corn laying out here on the ground, and I don't want to lose this corn. This is kind of a rare variety of Hamus blue corn, and so it's a little bit bittersweet right now. Now I think that motor might be spinning a little bit too fast. And I'm going to turn that on again and let you guys listen, because I might be able to put a some kind of a switch on there to toggle down that speed. But listen to how loud this goes, how fast. So it's spinning really fast. It might be spinning too fast. That might be the problem. I'm not quite sure. But it is damaging the corn seeds, which I'm sad to see. But it does work excellent for removing the corn. I think we're going to go ahead and probably end the video here. I think I'll point out one other thing. I did notice in the hole down there, it's a little hard to tell. Now that just expels the corn, but that did come to me with a little rust on it. So I might put some kind of avocado oil on there or something to prevent it from rusting. But this is the machine. If you can see down there, it goes in one side, the cobs come out the next, and then the corn kind of goes all over the place. The corn comes out the bottom, the top, and the back. Have to think about if I'm going to keep this or not, because it is a little bit problematic damaging all those seeds. All right, thank you very much for tuning in to Go Native Farms, and have a great rest of the day.